Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm gonna show you how to Google Translate on WhatsApp. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. To use Google Translate on the WhatsApp, you can follow some steps. Download and install the Google Translate app from the Play Store or the App Store, or you can directly go to the Google. So guys, from there you can directly containing the conversation message you want to translate. And now if I tap on this and if I send some message, for example, hey, there is a news for you. So just copy this text, and after that go to the Google translator and copy the text, and you can see the translation of that. You can select the language from there. If you tap on the Urdu, and you can see there are different languages, you can select the language of your choice. And for example, if you want to select the Hindi, so you can see this is translated into the Hindi. And if Hindi to English, then you can see you can tap right here on this icon. So now you will automatically see the translated text in the languages you selected. So this is how you can easily Google Translate your WhatsApp messages. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.